Hello, it's Miss Esther, ready to teach you a new letter. Do you know what I'm wearing? I'm wearing a dinosaur outfit. Do you know a letter that starts with the sound D, as in dinosaur? That's right, it's the letter D. D is what we're going to talk about today. Hello, D. And D, the dinosaur, she stomps her foot. The action's right here on the back of the book. When you stomp your foot, you're going to make this sound with me. Duh, duh, duh. There's my pretend foot. If you're a large, big, huge dinosaur, you make a large sound. Duh, duh, duh. If you're a baby dinosaur, you're going to make a smaller sound. Duh, 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 duh. Be sure not to add the sound when you make the sound, so it's not duh, it's duh, duh, duh. Your tongue almost flops down when you say it. Now let's do that same sound with the song.
D, the dinosaur dances disco.
Stomp your foot. Ready?
In a diner.
Duh, duh, duh.
Is the sound her feet make as she dances. Da, da, da.
So when you're finished with your dinosaur dancing, you can make some, do a dinosaur activity. So this one is found in the Amazing Action Alphabet Activity book. And here is the letter D. And you get to decorate her, just like she is in the story. She's decorated with dots. So here we did a dot paint on this one, or you can find some dots around the house and decorate her any way you want after you've colored her or painted her. Another fun activity, since it's Dinosaur Day, you can take dinosaur footprints, and every time you're like a big dinosaur and step on it, make sure you say the name and sound. Okay? Or I've taken some dinosaur bones, and I can be a paleontologist and dig in the dirt. Once I found a dinosaur bone, I say the name and sound, and I get to keep it. For those of you that are ready to write the word, you can use the handwriting one. Start at the top, go down to the feet, and go around, or do the big belly for the dinosaur, and then the line head to foot. And those that are ready for the next level, level 2 handwriting, don't forget to use the tree template before you write it. Going top to the bottom and around. Apple at the top to the mouse at the bottom and around. Okay, but those of you that are ready to read, in the Amazing Action Alphabet Beginning Reader book, you should be on lesson 15. And lesson 15, you've got your word family. To make sure that's a fun activity for you, I'm doing on, ought, and op. So if I put the P in front of it, now it's pawn, a made-up word, or pot, and pop. Same thing you can do with all the other letters you've reviewed so far. Okay, when you're ready to read the Dawn and John story, I want to make sure that you don't forget to color like it asks you to do before you read the story. So the word Dawn is colored probably orange, and John is colored another color. Once you've colored all the words Dawn and John, you can read the story. So Dawn is off and John is off. These are all the fun things they're doing at the beach. And look at this. They're making a dinosaur out of sand. That sure looks like fun. Okay, for these ideas and more, you can go to the website at seeheardocompany.com.